Hi everybody, you might have come across a situation where you've taken a perfect photo or there are a lot of photographs in your gallery in which you found that there are some random people in the background ruining it. So today in this particular video, I'll show you how you can remove those people from the background using ChatGPT in just few seconds. And believe me, no Photoshop skills required. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I am going to open ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll be typing over here ChatGPT. Since I've already created an account, so I'm going to click over here and it will open my account. So here you will have your chats, and what you can do is you can start new chat or you can click here images. So here you will find discover something new. Once you click here, you will find remove people in the background. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to select one photo. So I'm going to select this image one. So in this photograph, you will find that there is an image of a dog and there's a people in the background. So this is your main subject. So I'm going to select this one. So you can see here, there is a prompt, remove any people in the background while keeping the main subject unchanged. Fill in the background naturally so it looks like the people were never there. Since I've clicked in this image and here we have the remove people in the background. So by default, it took this particular prompt. So if you click on the new chats, then you have to write the prompt as well. Okay. So here I don't have to write the prompt. Now ChatGPT will automatically process the image. Within few seconds, it will generate a new version of the image where you will find that it has removed the people from the background. Let's see the output. Now, if you look into the image carefully, you will find that the ChatGPT has reconstructed the background naturally, and it looks like no one was ever there. Now you can find this image down below. So if I'm going to click this, I'm going to save this particular image. 3 years back, I visited Istanbul. So you can see there is two people in the background. One is on the bicycle and there is one lady in the back. So I wanted to remove these people from the background. Now I'm going to use the new chat, and here I'm going to add another photo. Here I'm going to select this particular photograph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the prompt that remove people from the background and keep the rest of the image natural, or fill the background naturally. Now it will take some time as ChatGPT will automatically process the image, where you will find that the people in the background are being removed. Now if you compare the earlier photograph or the actual one, you will find that there is one lady in the background and there is one man in the bicycle and there is one vehicle. It has removed everything, only keeping the main subject intact. That's one of the very powerful tool of this ChatGPT, where you can remove the people from the background. Now if you want, you can download this photo. So there are some few bonus tips that you have to keep in mind. Number one is you need to upload the high resolution image, and the second one is you need to clearly mention what you want to remove. And there are possibilities that you will not able to achieve the desired result in one go. Then you have to do the multiple iterations to achieve the desired result, and you have to accordingly ask the ChatGPT to refine the output. So if you have found this video really helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.